Good morning, my wonderful friends. Megas with you, and this morning we're going to rewire our neural pathways so that we can rewrite our future. Say these affirmations with me. My past is not a reflection of my future. Today I am overflowing with energy and joy. Feel these emotions. I rise above negative thoughts and low vibrations. I have God-given talents that I will begin to utilize today. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past. A river of love washes away my anger and replaces it with love. Spirit guides me every step, leading me in all I must know and do. Me and my family grow more in love every day. We are protected and provided for. Creative energy surges through me. I possess the qualities to be extremely successful. I know happiness is a choice, and today I choose to be happy, to put my focus on what makes me feel happy and not focus on what makes me feel bad emotions. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential is infinite. Good things are always lining up for me. I am courageous and I stand up for me. My thoughts are filled with positivity and therefore my world is beautiful. Today I choose to abandon old habits and ways that no longer serve me, and I take up new positive ones. 1. God is all good. 2. I choose to come into alignment with that good God, that God good. And 3. I create Asha, heaven on earth. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality right before my eyes. Take 3 long, deep breaths. And as you exhale, relax the muscles in your neck and shoulders and let all your muscles relax. Let your mind be at peace and let your soul smile. I love you. I love you. I love you.